The progress we have done, all of us, separately and together, in the past 2.5 months since our meeting to launch this process in Skopje, speaks by itself. So we have prepared the individual reform plans, we have identified the key initiatives which would bring us gradually closer to the single market, and finally we started the preparation of the common regional market. In short, we are ready to go. And I wish to touch several points. First, we need to build on the opportunity of the growth plan to prepare ourselves for accession into the single market, which is pillar one of the growth plan. And it is time that the region becomes part of the European digital wallet. Individually, we have included this objective in our reform plan, and we intend to be ready by 2027. We expect the Commission to finalize the roadmap so that we can have a clear pathway ahead in this direction, built on, of course, European practices and regulations. In the health area, and as far as the integration of the region into the critical medical alliance is concerned, I would suggest that we move steadily towards a health union in Europe. The pandemics showed how vital this is, and yet how limited cooperation is in the health sector. I would also commend the work of the transport community and CEFTA in preparation of the roadmap and trade and transport facilitation between the Western Balkans and the bordering EU member states. It is only 10 crossing points where over 80% of freight and trade with the EU passes through. The modernization of these crossing points will not benefit just the region, but also the EU as the region's main trading partner. This roadmap will provide the basis for the implementation of the Trade and Transport Facilitation Project 2.0 for the entire region, thus making the green lanes with the EU member states a reality.